Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Sleeper application. So in order to do this, simply open your mobile phone and navigate to the Sleeper application. After navigating to your Sleeper application, make sure you are already logged in. Now, after you'll be logged in, you will see this Sleeper's homepage. Here you have games, scores, feed, minis and three-dotted icon at the top right. Now when you click on this three-dotted icon, you will see Manage Preferences, Manage Leagues, Notification Settings, How to Play and Help Center, but no logout button. So in order to access the logout button, you'll have to first of all click on your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Now when you click on the profile icon at the top left, it will show up your name and a gear icon at the top left. So you'll have to click on this small circular gear icon and it will instantly open up this page. Here you see Wallet, Invite Friends, Account Settings, App Support, Responsible Play and the Logout button at last. So simply click on this Logout button and it will instantly take you out of the Sleeper app where you can easily click on Login and log in using your user credentials. Again, you can enter your email or username or log in with your mobile. So that is the simple way to log out of Sleeper application. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.